In today's video, we are diving into a powerful mask made with 3 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: turmeric, honey, and milk. This mask is perfect for brightening dull skin, fading dark spots, and giving your face that fresh, radiant glow naturally. So grab your journal, take notes, and let's discover the benefits of this golden recipe. Our first ingredient is turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric helps reduce redness, calm breakouts, and fade acne scars, fights free radicals, and helps even out your skin tone. Our second ingredient is raw honey. Honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture to the skin, hydrates deeply, and has antibacterial properties, and also gentle exfoliate the skin, leaving it smoother and softer. Our last ingredient is milk. It contains lactic acid, natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, brighten the skin, and improve its texture. It also nourishes the skin with vitamin B12 and D. Together, these 3 create a powerful house face mask that is gentle yet incredibly effective. We already have a wonderful mask mix already, and this is how to achieve this. So you measure 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of milk. Mix everything in a small container or bowl. Then make sure to wash your face first. Apply the mask evenly on your face. Avoid your eyes and your lip area. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse it off. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and expect this on your skin: brighter and glowing skin, reduced appearance of dark spots and acne scars, fewer breakouts thanks to the antibacterial power of the honey, softer, more hydrated skin, and overall even and smoother complexion. Many people notice visible improvement within 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use, but remember, natural skincare takes time and practice. Your skin will thank you for it. Before using the mask, do a patch test on your inner arm to check for sensitivity to turmeric or milk. Use old cloth or dark towel. Turmeric can stain fabric. Follow up with a moisturizer if your skin feels too dry. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one.